Welcome to Ncert Maths guys. Okay, so today we continue with the fifth round in the first Arabic of exercise 1.1 class 12 Ncert. Okay, so relation R in the set of human beings in a town at a particular time, it's given. Okay, so x comma y such that x and y work at the same place. Okay, so let's check for the reflexive first. Okay, so reflexive. What is reflexive? Okay, so x comma x should be belonging to the R. Okay, so x comma y means x and y work at the same place. So here x and x work at the same place. So x and x denote the same person. So he works at the same place. Logically it is correct. So this is reflexive. Okay. So next we check for the symmetric. If we say x and y, okay. So what does it mean? X and y work at the same place. So x and y work at the same place. Then what is the meaning of y comma x? Y and x work at the same place. So literally the meaning is same. X and y work at the same place. Y and x work at the same place. The meaning is same. Therefore this is symmetric. So we will check for transitive. Okay. So x comma y. The meaning is x and y work at the same place. Then y comma z. The meaning is y and z work at the same place. Then what is the meaning of x comma z? X and z work at the same place. So x comma y work at the same place. Then y comma z work at the same place. So of course x and z work at the same place. This condition is satisfied. So this is transitive. So if your function is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, it is called as equivalence relation. So in the subpart B, what is given? The relation is x comma y such that x and y live in the same locality. It's a kind of same question as A. Okay. So first we check for the reflexive. So if you write x comma x, so x comma x is x and x live in the same locality. X and x denote the same person. So x and x live in the same locality. Okay. So coming to symmetry. So if you write x and y, both live in the same locality. If you write y comma x, y and x live in the same locality. So the meaning is same. So this is symmetric too. Okay. So then if x and y live in the same locality, then y and z live in the same locality, then x and z live in the same locality. Okay, the condition is satisfied. So this is the transitive too. So the given function is equivalence relation. Okay, so coming to the subpart C, okay, R equals x comma y such that x is exactly 7 cm taller than y. Okay, so we will check for the reflexive. Okay, so if you write x comma x, so what is the meaning? X is exactly 7 cm taller than x. X denotes the same person. Okay, so one person cannot be taller than himself. So this is false. So this is not reflexive. So we check for the symmetric. Okay. So if you write x comma y, okay. So x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Okay. So if we write y comma x, okay. So then y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. But it is incorrect, right? Because x is 7 centimeter taller than y. So y is 7 centimeter shorter than y. Okay. So actually y is 7 centimeter shorter than x. Therefore this is not symmetric. Okay. So let's check for the transitive. So if you write x comma y, okay. So x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Okay. So that is x equal to y plus 7. So if we write y comma z, y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than z. So if you write y comma z, y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than z. That is y equals z plus 7. Then what is the meaning of x comma z? X is 7 centimeter taller than z, right? So x is 7 centimeter taller than z. Okay. So which is false. Why? So x is 7 centimeter taller than y. Y is 7 centimeter taller than z. So x is 14 centimeter taller than z. But as per the definition, it is 7 centimeter taller than z. It is false. Okay. So algebraically also we can prove. So x equals. Okay. So what is y? Z plus 7. So z plus 7 plus 7 equals z plus 14. So first equation becomes x equals, so y plus 7, what is y? Z plus 7. So z plus 7 plus 7, z plus 14. So x is 14 centimeter taller than z. So this is not transitive. So coming to the subpart B, okay, r equal to x comma y such that x is the wife of y. So if you write x comma y, so which means x is the wife of y. Okay. So let's check for the reflexive. So what is the reflexive? X comma x. So which means x is the wife of x. So one cannot be the wife of himself, right? So x is the wife of x, which is false. So this is not reflexive. Okay. So next check for the symmetry. So if you write x comma y, x is the wife of y. Okay. So if you write y comma x, okay, it says y is the wife of x. So which is false. Actually y is the husband of x, right? So actually y is the husband of x. So this is not symmetric. Okay, so coming to the subpart E, okay, relation is given as x comma y such that x is the father of y, okay. So let's say for reflexive. So if you write x comma x, what it says, x is the father of x. So one cannot be the father of himself. So this is false. So this is not reflexive. Okay. So we'll check for the symmetric. So if you write x comma y, x is the father of y. So if you write y comma x, y is the father of x, which is false. Why? Because y is the son of x. So this is false. This is not symmetric. So let's check for the transitive. Okay. So x comma y is x is the father of y. Then y comma z, y is the father of z, x comma z. So x is the father of z, which is false. Why? Actually x is the grandparent of z, right? Because x is the father of y is the father of z, so x is the grandparent of z, that is grandfather of z. So this is not transitive.